just feel better, sleep better at night if the cabin didn't shake and you didn't feel like the beam was pushing through the floor. The post in the middle of the cabin is sitting on top of a floor joist. When you have a point load, such as that beam coming onto a joist as it lays horizontally, kind of squashes flat. So you need what they call squash blocks underneath that post, and they need to be vertical.
Start it up.
The whole cabin is built on piers. So we've got some concrete piers in the ground, and then we have a sandwich of 2x6s making up a post, and we've got 3 beams running down the underside of the house, laid our joists on top of that, and then framed the cabin. You need some cross bracing to support it, and we have quite a bit underneath the cabin, but what we realized is that we had some 10-foot 2x4s. We ran short on those 2x4s, as well as the ones we had were short. And we needed some 12-footers, and we never got them. We never did that part. We just got carried away. So this row here goes this way, and this row goes the other way, so they oppose. So we're trying to do the same thing front to back now, there, and down the other side. So we have opposing crosses. That way one pushes and one pulls. It'll take the shake out of it. We'll see. Okay, I made it out alive. We'll live to fight another day.